Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and the lock we got this time is a Master Lock 220. These are actually okay locks. This was sent in to me, by the way, by J. Gabrielle. Jay, thank you so much. He knows I collect these, what we just call round body padlocks, similar to this. I've got many of them, and now we've got this one in the collection, the Master Lock 220, as it shows right there. Here are the keys. Pretty wicked bitting in this one. Very nice bitting. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I've featured the big boy version of that, which is the Master Lock 230. It's the same lock, just larger. It's large and in charge. And then featured one that same size, but it has the Harley Davidson badge on it. On both sides, actually. But if you remember, somebody had drilled this out and put a new cylinder in it. So, somewhat stock, but not 100%. That one there, brand spanking new. Brand new. Still has that new lock smell, right? So yeah, double ball locking. These are actually pretty tough locks. We give Master Lock a lot of flack on YouTube because of their cores. They're not great cores, but their locks are tough. You know, the bad guy's more likely to break the chain, the cable, the shackle, whatever it's locked to, rather than the lock. These are tough as snot. They really are. In my opinion, I'd use it. In my opinion. Of course, I'm a knucklehead, so I'd probably disassemble it and put some wicked pins in it, but that's just me being me. So, anyways, let's see if we can't pop it open, pick it open, and see what's under the hood. Let me grab a tension tool I think will fit. A little tight. That'll work. It'll fit. Okay. And my favorite pick of all time, the Peterson Gem. Alright, let's see if we can't pop this puppy. There we go. Let's see. One, kind of loose. Two, looking for the binders. If I can stay on it. I don't know if that's set or not. 3, 4. Yeah, I goofed that second one up, I think. Alright, so one's loose. 2. Okay, 2. 3's loose. 4. 5 is loose. 4 doesn't know what it wants to do. 1 maybe. Got a little bit off of 1. 5 still loose. 4. 5 still loose. 5. Thought we had it there. 5. 4. 3. I don't know what I'm missing. I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't think it's 5. Nope, because I just overset it. 1. 2, 3. There we go. Good Lord, that one put up a nice fight. I gotta tell you, yeah, well, like I said, we usually give Master Lock a hard time because of their cores. And Bosnian Bill coined it the marshmallow core. That stuck around for a while, but the locks are tough. I mean, look at the size of that shackle. You know, I've got pretty good sized hands, and that thing's about the size of my pinky finger. I mean, they're made well. Like I said, personally, I'd use the lock. So take it with a grain of salt. So let's see, some Allen tools, and let's see what we got here. Let me see what size that is. It is approximately this one, which is 3/32. Let's see. I usually don't get it on my first try, but nope. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. There we go. Oof. Definitely a new lock. Probably got some of that Loctite on the threads. Alright, yep, it sure does. See that blue on there? With some Loctite. Alright, let's put that over there. Let's get these out of my way. And that. And let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think we got us a crimped core too, but that's okay. And I think we went through this before, and I think we decided these were like anti-cut or something like that. So if you tried to saw into it or whatever, these would just actually spin around, hardened steel rods to protect the Bible right here. I think that's what they are. Let us know in the comments if you know exactly what they're for, but I think they are. They're just to more protection in there, because this isn't hardened steel. Those are probably. Alright, so let's see, the key, and I was correct. I think we got a crimped core. It's crimped right here on the side. I don't know if you can see that. So, we can deal with that. Thanks to Bobby Keys, he made me a special follower that fits past that. Alright, so let's move here. Let's grab us a pinning tray and see if we can't get it open. Put the key in and rotate it to that flat spot right there. See how it's got that flat spot? That's how you want to rotate it, and then the core will come out of the Bible that way. Hopefully. Yes, it does. See? Fits past that flat spot. You ever run into that problem? Now you know how to deal with it. Okay? But you might need a special size follower. Alright, oh, you know what? I always shim, and I didn't shim. One of my own rules I'm breaking here. I always use a shim. It's just something I learned a long time ago, and I stick with it. Alright, here we go. Bada boom, bada bang, the magic words, right? Alright. See that? Always use a shim, folks. Alright, 5-pinner. I do suspect some security pins in here. I don't know how many or where. Alright, so this part can be deathly boring, so I will speed this up, and we'll come right back when I've got them laid out. Fair enough? Alright, so we are back. We've got them laid out. I'm going to put my specs on so I can see the pins as good as the camera can. And they are all standard. There's not a single... I thought for sure I felt a spool in there. But these are about as standard as they get. Let me take a closer look here. I don't see any serrations. That's just grease Yep, it's not a serrated or a spool in there. Yep, all standard pins. And again, that's why Bosnian Bill coined them the marshmallow core. All standard. So, like I said, I would use that lock because they are built good, but I would go crazy with the pins. And, you know, that's just me being me, like I said earlier. I'd pin it up with some wicked pins, and that would be one wicked lock. But there it is. That is the Master Lock 220, kindly sent to me by J. Gabrielle J. I do highly appreciate it. It's another beautiful addition to my rounded body padlock collection. So, awesome. Alright, so the lock, I give it a thumbs up because of the toughness of the build, but the pins, that can be improved. Alright, so there you go. You want to see more stuff like this, you know I'm going to say it. You got to subscribe. All the cool people are doing it, and if you want to be cool, you got to subscribe. Thank you.